Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your Umid card. While the entire process cannot be completed solely online, you can certainly begin your journey from the comfort of your home. We will guide you through the essential steps, from preparing your documents to understanding the online scheduling system. This card serves as a vital government identification, simplifying transactions across various agencies. Let's get started on securing your unified multi-purpose identification. Before you even think about an online appointment, it is crucial to prepare thoroughly. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, typically being an active member of the SSS. Next, gather at least 2 valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, for verification. Finally, download and complete the application form, ensuring all details are accurate to avoid delays. Now, let's talk about the online component. Head to the official SSS website to utilize their online appointment system. Here, you can conveniently choose your preferred SSS branch, along with a suitable date and time for your visit. Remember, this online step is for scheduling your in-person appearance, which is essential for capturing your biometrics and photo. Once your biometric data and photo are captured, the processing of your Umid card begins. This typically takes several weeks. You will receive a notification from the SSS once your card is ready for release. Finally, return to the SSS branch where you applied to personally collect your new, secure, and convenient unified multi-purpose identification card.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.